Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial is going to be on me trying on these two synthetic wigs which are in these packaging. So I did get them from AliExpress and they both are 4x4 lace synthetic wigs. So with the 4x4 it means that you can put it in a middle parting, have it in a middle parting or have it in a side parting. Now I did put the wig cap on already. It came with these wig caps which came in brown, which was great. So I didn't have to add any foundation or anything on top of it. And I have got this wig grip that everybody's been raving about and saying that it doesn't, you know, like come off and stuff. It stays still. So if you want to see how these wigs look on, please stay tuned. I did get one in a natural 1B colour. And I got one that's got highlights, brown with highlights and a blondish highlight in the front. So once again, if you want to see how this looks on, please stay tuned. And thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to try, and I'm going to leave the highlighted one till last. I just want to see how it looks on my complexion. So I'm going to go with the 1B natural colour. So I'm going to take it out. And it comes in this plastic packaging here. And it comes in this netting. So let me just take it out slowly. So it comes in this netting here. So it keeps it tidy. So this is what it looks like. It's a really nice colour here. And it comes with a tag and even says 1B as well. Don't know if you can see or not. Yeah, it's nice. It feels nice and soft. And I love the bouncy curls. I might have to finger wave them a bit just to make it look a bit more natural. And then this is the lace here, which I'm going to cut. But I just want to show you guys how it looks on first. So let me just show you guys. And it comes with 3 combs. So 1 at the back and 2 in the front. And it comes with a band here. So let me just put this on. Okay, so I'm just pushing the lace forward. Making sure that the lace comes through first. Make sure it's in the middle. This is what it looks like so far. It does look quite bumpy at the back, or maybe that's just how I've got... That's probably just how I've got the thing on my head. Let me just fix it about a bit. But it looks gorgeous. So this is the 1B hair. And if you want to know how much this costs, I will link it below in the description bar, both of them. So yeah, this is really pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to go off camera and cut around the lace. And then I'll show you how it looks once I've put it back on again, just to see if it looks very natural. So I will do that now. Hey guys, so I've just cut off the net and I've added my powder in the side parting. So as you can see, this is how the hair looks on. So like I said, it feels very soft and it feels very luscious and it's very full. One thing I can say is it's quite bumpy, but that could be the way I've actually laid my cane rose underneath the actual cap. So once I fix it about, it'll probably lay nice and flat anyway. But this is the length of the hair. And I think it's very beautiful. I think I could wear this colour with any sort of outfit or anything, and I feel very comfortable as it's close to my natural hair colour as well. So I really like this one. And I also combed it out with my fingers as well, just to kind of make the curls a bit more looser. As you can see, it was a bit tricky cutting around the net. I did cut it while the wig was on my head first of all. But like guys, it just wasn't working. So I used razors and I used the scissors as well, just to cut around the net, just to make sure that it looks good. So I know obviously when it comes to the wigs and stuff, with me, the more I do it, the more better I get. Like I'm still new to the whole wig thing and everything. Sorry about that. I'm new to the whole wig thing, so I'm just learning how to cut around the neck. But the more better I get, the more I do it, the more better I become. So my out of 10 for this wig and hair colour, I'll probably give the hair colour, 1B, the natural hair colour, probably, and the volume of the curls as well, probably maybe a 7, because I think it's well made for a synthetic wig as well. So yeah, so I'm going to try the next wig now and see how that looks. So please stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the second one, second and last. So again, it comes with this brown wig cap as well. I'm just going to open it. And it looks like this inside the net. I'm just going to remove it. So this is the gorgeous colour. So let me just show you. So it comes like this. So that's how it looks. So it's just as nice as the first one, the black one with the curls. I think it comes from the same company as well. So that's why I got both of them. So it's the same style but just different colours. So I'm going to put this on and show you guys how it looks on my head. And this is the lace as well, the 4x4 lace. Let me just push the lace forward. This is how this one looks. Now this is actually very pretty. I think this one is definitely more daring because I wouldn't go for anything like this. But this is pretty. And I like the blonde bit in the front as well. And once again it comes with the net. So I'm going to cut that off. Okay, so I'm going to go and cut it off camera and I shall be right back. Okay guys, so this is the second colour, the second wig. So I really love this colour. So I've just taken off the lace and I've put my foundation colour, which is NW50 in MAC, which is the powder. So I've literally put it in the scalp as well, the face. So I put it in the scalp to create the illusion of it actually being like from my hair. So I think this looks really good, guys. Like, I would definitely wear this out. Like, I was quite scared kind of thing. Like, I wonder if the blonde will look nice on my complexion. But it's not too much. As you can see, it's just a little bit of blonde in the front. And it goes into like this gorgeous honey brown colour. And it's quite dark in the roots. So it looks very natural. So I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. Whether I prefer the black or the or this one, I probably would wear more of the black, but this is gorgeous as well. So I really like this one. So guys, this is the finished tutorial on the hair. So if you liked this video, please thumbs up. And if you liked the 2 wigs, please comment below on which one you liked. My favourite, I would have to say, in terms of colour, is definitely this one. I definitely feel like I'll get more wears at the black, like I said. However, I feel very confident in this hair colour. I didn't think I would actually say that. But this is very gorgeous. And I love the curls in the hair. It's so pretty. So I will link where I got this below in the description bar from AliExpress. I got this from, if you didn't hear in the starting of the video. So if you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. And to my existing subscribers, I love you so much. And guys, thank you for watching this video. And until next time. And if I don't see you in the new year, Happy New Year. And have a wonderful Christmas. And take care, guys. Bye.